Hello friends, this is my first video in my channel. Before my introduction on my channel, I want to share a small story with you. This story will help you understand the world of stock market. Once upon a time, in a village, a man arrived and offered to purchase monkeys for 100 rupees each. The villagers were very happy. After all, there were hundreds of monkeys in a nearby forest. Went out in the forest and started catching them. They caught the monkeys and got them to the businessman. The man bought lot of monkeys at 100 rupees each. As supply started to diminish and villagers started to stop their efforts, he raised the price to 200 rupees. This renewed the efforts of villagers and they started catching monkeys again. Soon the supply diminished even further. The rate increased to 250 rupees and the supply of monkeys became even difficult. There were no monkeys left in the forest. Eventually he offered 500 rupees per monkey, but had to leave for the city, leaving his assistant in charge. In the absence of the man, the assistant told to the villagers, "Look, all these monkeys in the big cage that the man has collected, I will sell them to you for rupees 350. And when the men come back, you can sell it to him for rupees 500. The villagers squeezed up with all their savings and bought all the monkeys. And guess what? Then they never saw the man nor his assistant. Only monkeys everywhere. Welcome to Indian stock market. The stock market is a journey, not a destination. I am Money and together we will explore the ups and downs of investing and wealth creation. Now, you must be thinking why I have started with a depressing story where villagers were fooled. Because I am not going to show you big dreams. There are a lot of people out there who will show you big dreams, where people made a lot of money in the stock market. But who are those people who share such inspiring stories? They are the big sharks in the ocean of stock market. A retail investor is a small fish in the ocean. Very few could survive. Nobody tells the other side of the story, where many people lose their lifetime of savings in the stock market. So, I am going to share both sides of the story. Every year, thousands of new investors and traders try their luck in the world of stock market. A few of them make money, while a lot of them lose. We generally hear about the success stories, however, fail to teach us more than the success. Have you ever known why people lose money in the stock market? Because they don't learn from other people's mistakes. Now, let's discuss what was the mistake of villagers. Mistake number 1. Villagers never analyzed why should someone pay rupees 100 up to rupees 500 for a monkey. How it is relevant to stock market. While buying a stock, people do not think why the stock is worth its price. According to Benjamin Graham, in his famous book, The Intelligent Investor, he quoted, "An investment operation is one which, upon thorough analysis, promises safety of principal and an adequate return. Operations not meeting these requirements are speculative." Here, these words are important: thorough analysis and safety of principal. To safeguard your invested capital and achieve returns, understanding the valuation is a crucial aspect of stock selection. It's essential to assess the stock's value before making a purchase, rather than solely relying on past performance. For instance, if a stock was priced at rupees 100 a few months ago and is now at rupees 200, it may seem like 100% returns in just 2 months. However, many inexperienced investors might overlook whether the stock is truly worth rupees 200, leading to potential losses. And mistake number 2. Villagers blindly trusted the seller. Now, what is the relevance in stock market? Avoid blindly trusting the stock market tips from so-called market experts. As Peter Lynch highlights in his book Once Upon Wall Street, rule number 1 is to stop listening to professionals. Therefore, it's crucial not to blindly follow market experts or mimic their investments without understanding the rationale behind them. And mistake number 3. Villagers followed herd mentality. So what is the stock market relevance? This is more of psychology aspect where we try to follow everyone around us in order to minimize risk. Many individuals tend to seek advice from friends, colleagues and invest in the stocks that others are buying, assuming it's a safe bet. Never follow this herd mentality. And mistake number 4. Villagers became greedy and chased short-term profits. What is the stock market relevance? Warren Buffett famously quoted, "Be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful." It is very important to understand that the stock market is not to make short-term profits. without having good system and psychology in place. The two most crucial qualities needed in the stock market are discipline and patience. Patience to buy good stock at the right price. Patience to let the company grow. People generally want a quick return in no time. This is not sustainable, and building wealth in the stock market requires a long-term perspective. Patience to allow investments to grow and discipline to stay invested during market fluctuations. Even a plant takes a few years before it gives us fruit. How can we expect to get return in no time? You need discipline to invest and stay invested even when the market is down. When the market is down, fear sets in. It's an opportunity to buy quality stocks at discounted price. So, in this video, we discuss the common mistakes people make in the world of stock market. I hope you will learn from the mistakes of villagers and ensure that you don't make such mistakes in the future. Before I sign off, I just want to share my 6+ years of experience working for financial industry leaders like ICICI Direct, Motilal Oswal, HDFC Bank and ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund. For the past 2 years, I have been an independent trader and investor. By visiting my channel, you can learn about fundamental analysis, advanced level option strategies and basic to advanced level price action techniques. If you like this video, make sure to hit thumbs up button, and before you go, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss another video from Stock Success by Money. Thanks for watching this one. My name is Money. I will see you in our next video. Let's get started on this exciting journey together. Signing off. See you all in the next video. Thank you very much.